It's winter time and my snowblower is out of commission. As you can see right here, there's supposed to be a bar that goes across the snowblower in order to allow the chute to throw the snow out of it. And what's happened is over time the rust and abrasiveness of the snow has caused that bar to completely decay, rusted out, and no longer exist. As a matter of fact, I have the old one here. You can see the damaged parts on it. Just nothing left of it pretty much. Let's get to it. First off, I'm going to clean off the area. Then I'm going to take and make sure there's nothing underneath. Like we do have rubber here that's flammable. I'm going to put some metal under that, try to keep that insulated away from the spark with my welder. And I'll weld the piece on there, then chop it off where I need to. Here we go. Angle grinding down the snowblower was the easy part. The welding was a little bit more tricky as the welder did try to melt through the existing metal. Unfortunately, the footage from that got corrupted on my camera when I tried to pull it off, so we won't be able to watch that today, but I did film a little bit of the post welding, and as you can see, I was very careful to go the entire way around the two pieces of metal I added. And that way it just secures it not only to the small section on top of the blade, but also around it the longer side sections. We got a nice strong weld, fired up the snowblower in a safe location, made sure the blades didn't fly off or nothing looked weird when it ran. And as you can see, everything is good. My little two-stroke snowblower is ready to rock and roll. I'll show some footage of it hopefully when we get some snow on the ground. But for now, this repair is a success. If you like to see repair videos and other fun contraption videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate subscribers. And as always, have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.